How to add a Discord link to your Instagram bio. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to add a Discord link to your Instagram bio. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. A Discord server link gives Instagram users access to all of the server's channel. At the same time, you can choose which channel a user gets to when they tap the server link. So, go ahead and open the Discord application on your device and select a server firstly. And further, go ahead and select a channel where you want users to get. You will see the option for members, so tap on the members icon and further tap on the invite members option. You will then see the copy link button, so simply tap on the link to copy the link. Now, go ahead and open Instagram application on your device. In Instagram, go to your profile and tap on the edit profile button you see there. Now, tap on the links option and further tap on the add external link option. Now, tap on the link field and hold until a menu appears. Select the paste option and further tap on done. With this, the Discord link has been added to your Instagram bio successfully. So, this is how you can add a Discord link to your Instagram bio. If you found the video helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel Login Shines for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.